For this blanket, very easy to make. You just know how to make the chains and single crochet and you're good to go. And this is very soft and very fast to make. Okay, so the size for this blanket is 34 inches wide and 35 inches long. If you want wider, just add more chains. If you want longer, just add more rows. Okay. So for this project, I'm using this very bulky yarn, Bernat Blanket Stripes. I bought this from Joann and I love this color combination. It's really beautiful and really soft as well. And this is super bulky yarn number 6. Okay, and I use 2 skeins of this yarn. Okay, and crochet hook size 8 millimeters, and you will need your needle and scissors. Alright, so let's get started. So we're gonna make slip knot and then make 61 chains. So 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so just keep making the chain and I will meet you guys when you have 61 chains. Now I have 61 chains. That's what it looks like. And then I'm gonna skip 1 chain stitch. Okay, and single crochet into next stitch here. And then single crochet into the next chain stitch. This pattern very easy, just single crochet only. And then single crochet into next chain stitch. Okay, so just keep making single crochet into each stitches till you come to the end and I will meet you guys there. So when you come to the end, you will have a total of 60 single crochet stitches. And next row, you're gonna chain 1 and turn. Or you can turn first and chain, it doesn't matter. Okay, and then single crochet into very first stitch. Yeah. And single crochet into next stitch. Single crochet into next stitch. And single crochet into next stitch. So for this yarn, it's pretty difficult to see the stitches because it's super bulky. So you can see where is the gap, that is the stitch that you're gonna work single crochet in there. So just keep making single crochet into each stitches till you come to the end and I will meet you guys there. When you come to the end, so don't forget the last stitch here. Okay, I'm gonna make the last single crochet in there, and then I have the same 60 single crochet stitches. And now we're gonna repeat the same pattern. I'm gonna chain and then turn, and then single crochet into very first stitch, single crochet into next stitch, and then single crochet into next stitch. So keep making single crochet into each stitches, and when you come to the end, don't forget the last stitch. Okay, and then chain and turn, and keep making the same pattern over and over. So for me, I make a total of 55 rows, which is 2 skeins of yarn. Okay, and I will meet you guys in my last row. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys how to finish off. It's nothing fancy. Pretty easy. So I make the last single crochet and then I gonna chain one to lock the yarn, and then cut the yarn, leave a little bit of tail and pull out, and then bring the yarn needle. Just gonna weave the end, okay? Like I said, nothing fancy. You just try to hide the tail. Oops. So just make sure it's secure, and then you just trim the tail. And now we're done. It's very beautiful color combination. I love it so much. And very soft. So you see this, where the color changing? Right here. Right here. The color just changing their own, so I love it. Okay, so I hope you enjoy making this blanket, and if you like this video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next video. Bye bye.